संस्कार का एस भी नहीं है।
किधर इधर इधर What's up, you guys? I hope you all are safe and fine. For people who are new here, this is Hinanshi Sangvi and welcome back to my channel. Ta-da-da-da-da. So guys, today's video is about day 4 and day 5 of Udaipur, and we stayed in the best property of Udaipur, which is, you'll get to know that. And we did a huge photo shoot, and yeah, you all have to see that because this property is like the best thing in Udaipur. हमने आधा पैसा ट्रिप का तो ये प्रॉपर्टी में दिया है क्योंकि इतनी अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी है एंड वी वांटेड टू स्टे इन अ 5 स्टार बिकॉज या वेल लेट्स गेट द वाइब ऑफ उदयपुर ओवर देयर। एनीवेज गाइस, इफ यू ऑल हैवंट सीन डे 1, डे 2, डे 3, go and check it out. And I'm also going to talk about day 4 and day 5 expenses and the whole trip in 18,000. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. So we have checked out from Vishnu Priya, which is our favorite hotel in Udaipur, and now we are going to a stupid Aurika 5-star hotel. Not stupid, Aurika is an amazing property. और yummy breakfast कर लिया है.
So excited to go there.
Yeah, obviously you have to be excited because you were डरावना पहले 2 hours back about your card. She lost her card.
Which I found it.
Which she found it. So that's the room where we stayed. The staff is amazing. They were very much helpful. Also, the room ka interior is so nice. It gives completely Udaipur ka vibe. The bed, the sofa, everything. And the best part is they have a beautiful sitting and a view that you can enjoy in the room itself. Avoid these idiots. A huge photo shoot done by the beautiful girls of Mumbai. हर एक एक कोने में जाके हम लोग ने फोटोज लिए. पूरा औरिका मतलब वसूला तो हम लोग ने पूरा. So after a 45 minutes photo shoot in Ghagra, half photo shoot,
Sharara.
Shut up. We are going to the room for changing, and we are gonna wear a second outfit which is gonna be amazing. And look at the view. The place looks so pretty at night because of the lightings obviously, and not to forget we again changed our outfit and had gone for a nice walk and sang so many songs and danced all the way. जिसका भी ये कार्ड होगा, बोलो आगे.
जिसका भी कार्ड होगा,
मत बोल मिश्रा तो. Prachi. So now we are leaving from Aurika and we're gonna go to Lake Pichola for boating, and then we are gonna go to the airport, and as usual we are running late. आदत हो गई अब. ये बच्ची को देखो कितनी संस्कारी, भोली भाली, सीधी सादी. और फिर इधर देखो
संस्कार का एस भी नहीं है.
किधर इधर इधर. फाइनली हम लोग उदयपुर में आके उसकी स्पेशलिटी दाल बाटी आज खाने वाले हैं. Where are we? Guys, so now we are at the Mumbai airport and the trip finally ends. बहुत मजा आई, but we want to go back.
Of course. To some other location.
To some other location. Surat it is.
Already. Aurika
sponsored by
Vishwasa.
And World 2 sponsored by Prachi.
And World 2 sponsored by Dinesh.
नहीं, स्पॉन्सर की बात नहीं हुई.
Cruise.
कुछ नहीं, मैं सब जगह जाएगी. मैं ब्लॉग बनाऊंगी तुम लोग के लिए. On day 4, we checked out from Vishnupriya and we took an Ola to Aurika, which cost us 160 rupees only. Then we stayed at Aurika for the whole one night, took a lot of pictures and did a lot of fun out there because the property was worth staying. हम लोग कहाँ बाहर निकले ही नहीं है. It was inclusive of dinner and breakfast. So we stay at Aurika was 12,000 per room. That is 6,000 per person because we were 4 people. So we took 2 rooms because we booked our tickets from Anandi Tours and Travels. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. So if you all want to take a package, you all can do that from them. So we checked out from Aurika and you all won't believe they gave us a free gift because हमने उधर भी friendship बना दी थी and इतने गप्पे ठोके थे ना कि उनको हमको free देना ही पड़ा. Food candle stands which is so cute. From there we left on day 5. We booked an Ola for 1,200 rupees and we had 2 stops. So we stopped at boating and we did boating in Udaipur, and from there while we were going to the airport we also did our lunch at one of the best restaurants at Udaipur, which is the Natraj. उधर की दाल बाटी खाना मत भूलना अगर तुम उधर जा रहे हो. मतलब उदयपुर गए और दाल बाटी नहीं खाए क्या मतलब. So we did our lunch over there and it was yummy and amazing. Then we directly headed towards the airport and the flight tickets were 2,000 rupees. So the total expense of day 4 and day 5 came up to 8,615. So the total of the whole trip comes up to day 1 2,500 plus 2,000 rupees for the train tickets. That makes it 4,500. Day 2 1,750 rupees. Day 3 1,450 rupees and day 4 8,615 rupees, which comes up to approximately 16,315 rupees. So guys, this is a tentative budget in which you all can complete your trip inclusive of food, travel, stay, everything which are basic requirements. But if you all shop and all, then obviously it's gonna increase. So I personally completed my trip in 18,000 rupees because I shopped and I also took a lot of food from here. So that makes it 18,000 for me. But y'all can cut down on your budget and do the whole trip in just 10 to 11,000 rupees if y'all remove Aurika, because Aurika is 6,000 per night per person. So if y'all remove that, then y'all can literally do the whole trip in just 10 to 11,000 rupees, which is an amazing rate to go to Udaipur. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope I helped you all with a lot of places that you all can visit in Udaipur and to reduce your cost and come up in a budget. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.